So this is how you can use ChatGPT to make money. Now, in order to make money, you will be needing these AI bots and then a YouTube channel. So this thing is called YouTube automation, and I will be teaching you how to do it. So for ChatGPT, what you're gonna want to do is basically ask it to maybe write a script or maybe a horror story. Or what you could do is simply just search it online. Like search for a creepypasta online, or you could do something like this. I typed in make me a 2-minute creepypasta script. So once I send that in, ChatGPT is going to create a creepypasta, and then we will be using this for later. Now, as you can see, it is now generating a script for us. And what we will be doing with the script is basically making one of those Minecraft parkour videos. So if you haven't seen them already, they're really popular on YouTube Shorts, or you could also post this on TikTok or Facebook or other social media apps. But basically, there is a website which helps you make these videos for free. Simply go to a browser and then search for Revit AI. This is the Minecraft AI generator video. Simply just put in the script of your video over here. There you go. And then it will start making the video for you. As you can see, you have these different background videos for Minecraft. You could also select different games like Subway Surfer or Satisfying Videos, Fortnite, and different things. So once you do, you could either select a voice or record yourself if you want to. But yeah, that is how you can make money. Just simply post these like daily or maybe even 3 times a day, and you'll be good to go. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.